Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave apps, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you record a partial payment to an invoice in Wave apps? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to record a partial payment in Wave anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your clients are going to have a tough time, but they're still sending in small payments towards their invoice, so you need to record it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave apps dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave apps, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to record a partial payment to an invoice, here on the left side, you want to click on Sales and Payments. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Invoices. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll through until you find the invoice you need to mark a partial payment to. So for example, I'll choose this one. Once you've chosen, click on the blue drop-down arrow right here. Next, you want to go ahead and click on Edit. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the image of the invoice. So in order to mark a partial payment, scroll down until you see this, record a payment. Once you do that, go ahead and mark how much of the payment they made. So let's just say they made a payment of $75, and then go ahead and mark the method of payment. So let's say they gave a check. Go ahead and mark the account for this. So cash on hand, and you can make any note, made partial payment mailed in check. Okay, and you want to click on submit. Okay, it lets you know the payment was recorded. So let's close this out. Okay, now if we scroll down on this invoice, you can see they owed $150.01, and we noted a payment right here. Payment on June 3rd using a check for $75. So now we have the total amount outstanding, $75.01. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to mark a partial payment in your Wave app account for an invoice, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.